Normally, Windows 11 Pro cost around $200. But what if I tell you that there is right now a way you can get Windows 11 Pro only for just $14? Yes, that's right. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Windows 11 Pro with a huge discount, and I'll show you everything step by step from the very beginning. So for it, just go to any browser, and in the browser search for Keysoff Win 11 Pro. Just search for this Keysoff Win 11 Pro and press enter. And here you can see www.keysoff.com. Here you can see Win 11 Pro on PC. So we need to click here and it will take us to this page, and here you can see it is right now showing us $28, which is already awesome. But if you use a coupon code, you can get it for only for $14. If you want, you can also buy multiple from here as well, but for now we're going to buy only on. So here I'm going to click on add to cart, and here you can see view cart and proceed to checkout. So we're going to click here, proceed to checkout, and it will take us to the checkout page. And here you can see we need to fill up some information, and here we're going to give our email address. Then we'll go down and we need to give our name. So I'll give my name, then last name. After that, company name is optional, and here we can give our street name. Then here you need to give your country name. Then you need to give the city name and the postal code. After that, you also need to give your phone number. So those are necessary. Then here you can click on update. Then here you can see apply discount code. So right now, there you can see the total price is $28. So right now we're going to apply a coupon code, and the coupon code we're going to apply is this one, WTK. Everything will be capital. Then we need to write over here 50. And if I now click on apply discount, there you can see your coupon was successfully applied. So if you go at the top here, you can see right now it is showing us only $14 over here. So we need to go to the payment option right now. So for it, here you can see we have the update option. So we need to click on this update button. After clicking on the update button, here it will show you the place order button here. So right now we are going to click on this button, place order. So right now here you can see there is a multiple option of how you can pay for it. So there you can see PayPal, we have credit card, via PP, we have only credit card, and pay with Keypro as well. So right now we're going to choose this one, then click here pay. You can choose any of the payment method. Then we're going to give our card number, and here you can see pay $14.35. So if we just click on this, and you will get an email of payment. As you can see, I have just received a mail over here. There you can see your order. So yeah, this is how you can get Windows 11 Pro using Keysoff really easily. And also I'll just give this link in the description. So if you just come to this link, you will also get the Office 21, Office 19 at 62% discount. Or you can also use this coupon code as well, WTK62. This will give you 62% discount, and WTK50 will give you 50% discount for Windows 11 Pro. And one more thing, that is, if you just come to this link, the coupon code will be automatically applied over here. Here you can see it is already showing us $14. So I hope this tutorial was useful. Right now you'll be able to get Windows 11 Pro only just at $14, which actual price is around $200. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.